Hello everybody, this is the first time I've ever actually spoken on this channel before. Obviously I have my main channel, which is RadDog141, and this is the first origami video I've done on this channel, so I'm quite happy about it. So today the video is going to be in two parts. The first part I'll be showing you how to, because it's like a modular thing, so it's like three-dimensional. I will be showing you how to, today I'll be showing you how to, in this video I'll be showing you how to make the pieces for it, and then the second video I'll be showing you how to piece it all together. So yeah, so I'll just kind of get into it. I'll maybe do a bit more talking at the end, but I think that's enough for just now. Okay, so what you're going to want is just like a bit of paper. I think it was 20 by 20 origami paper. I can't really remember, and I divided that into 4, because you'll need to make 60 of these little pieces, so it's quite a lot. It is quite time consuming. It took me about 4 hours to probably do all the pieces, because I've done all of them apart from one. This is the last one I need to do. What you want us to do is start with the white side up. I know I'm not starting with the white side up, that's because I have very special origami paper that's coloured on both sides, purple on this side and orange on this side. So, but if you're just using one-sided like origami paper, then you just start with the white side up. Or if you're just using plain paper, or it's coloured on both sides, it doesn't really matter. So, or you just obviously just fold it in half. Very basic. And then unfold it. Then fold the two edges into the centre of that crease. I hope you can see that. And then flip it around and do the same with the other side. So we're just folding both those edges into there. Okay, and then you'll have like a kind of coloured thing that just looks like this with two flaps, kind of like a wardrobe thing. And then you're going to want to fold this thing in half along that way, and then unfold it, and then we're going to fold these bits into the middle, so one and then two. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit confusing, because up to this point it's been very, very basic. So now what you're going to want to do is obviously unfold those two bits, so you'll kind of have like 8 squares, look kind of like a chocolate bar sort of. That's the way I like to think of it. What you're going to want to do is take this edge here, which is from one of the flaps, the edge of this square, and line it up to that crease here. So that's what you're going to want to do. I'm going to be trying to zoom in just a wee bit, just so you can see. Okay, it's obviously a bit more blurry now, but yeah, so what you're going to want to do is actually not going to zoom in. Bad idea, forget the zooming. Okay, so yeah, you're going to want to put it against that bit, so you're just going to kind of lift that bit up like so and align it with that crease there. I'll hold it up to the camera so you can actually see what I've done there. So if you can have a look, what I've actually done is pulled this bit across and folded it down there, and so you've got a bit like this. And then what you're going to want to do is just take this bit and just fold it over like that, and then just crease that diagonal up there, and then you just spin it around and do the same with the other side, so that it's all like symmetrical. Basically everything in this will be symmetrical, so that's how you know if you're like maybe doing something wrong. So you're going to want to do the same with the other bit. I'll just show you again. Pulling this bit up and putting it along that bit, and then folding that bit down and creasing this here. Okay, and then once you've done that, now what you're going to do is open those bits sort of, so it kind of looks like a fan blade sort of. What you're going to want to do is take this, see this orange crease that runs up and then kind of along that wall there, you're going to want to take, including this like purple triangle bit, and fold it up to the top bit along here. So you'll see what I'm doing. So you're just folding that up to the top, up there, as you can see. Okay, and then you just spin it round and do the same with the other bit. So just take this bit and fold it up to the top, to the top edge along there, and then you're just going to want to fold these bits back in, and then just like that. So those folds will allow you to be able to connect the pieces together, and then you're just going to want to fold it in half, like so. And then you're going to take this corner bit and put it into, just so it touches that edge bit there, and then flip it round. So you've done that, so you've folded that so it's in there along where this bit is, so just so you can see what I'm doing. And then you're going to want to flip it over and repeat with the other side. And this, again, this will be so you can lock the pieces together in order to make the whole flexi-ball. So that's how you make one thing of it. And then in the second part of the video, I will just rewind the video if you need to correct anything or something. So I will there'll be a second part showing you how to connect all the bits together, so stay tuned for that. See you next time.